What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. And on today's video, I've got my picks for the 10 best fall jackets under $100. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe and tap that notification bell and join us. And to my returning friends like King Charles, salute. Now, as you transition from summer into the fall, probably the most important item to start adding to your wardrobe rotation, the jacket. And they come in a wide variety of styles, colors, and fabrics. But like I always tell you, you don't have to break the bank when adding things to your wardrobe. So in that vein, I've got 10 great jackets under $100 that you definitely can add to your fall rotation. And on top of that, some of them are way below $100. So without further ado, let's get into my picks for the 10 best fall jackets for 2018 under $100. Now for my first pick, I've got an outstanding fall color and a style and fabric of jacket a lot of guys sleep on. I'm talking about a corduroy jacket, as I have this BDG Corduroy track jacket. Now this comes in a great bronze color, dope for the fall, warm to smooth. It has a button front with a soft rib corduroy cut in a standard fit with pointed collar. Now I know a lot of guys sleep on corduroy, you think kind of as old fashioned, but I'm here to tell you it's not. Then take a look at this jacket to prove it to you. And this deep, rich bronze color definitely worked well for the fall. A great track jacket and a nice corduroy in a bronze color, definitely pick this one up for $79. Next up, I have a classic style of fall jacket that to me is definitely underrated and one I've been pushing on you guys lately because I've added them to my rotation. I'm talking about that Harrington jacket, as we have this ASOS design Harrington jacket in jersey. Now the point collar style of a Harrington jacket was first invented in Manchester in the 1930s. This one has that preppy classic fit, a zip placket, functional pockets, fitted trims, and a regular cut. And one of the great things I love about ASOS, a lot of their clothing comes in fits that fit all body types. I'm talking about regular fit, tall guys, and even a plus size for my bigger fellas out there. This one comes in a wide range of colors, so don't hesitate to grab one. Your classic preppy jacket, and it's only gonna run you $32. Next up, I have a jacket that's not only stylish, it's actually functional as well, as it'll help keep that rain off of you. I'm talking about this quilted shirt jacket from the Gap. Now this one has a great straight relaxed fit and it hits at the hip. And it has a smooth, lightweight, water repellent nylon weave. It's a plush, lightweight filling that keeps you warm without adding bulk. And it's fully lined interior pocket. It has a spread collar, snap button cuffs, and a snap flap patch pocket at the chest with a curved hem and all over quilting. Now of course it definitely helps in the fall when you get some of that rain to have a water repellent jacket. And this one from the Gap does it in a stylish way. Comes in a variety of colors, but I particularly like the navy one. Functional and stylish, and it's only gonna run you $48. I definitely cop for this fall. The last jacket, gonna keep you dry. My next suggestion is gonna keep you warm. That's because it's Sherpa line. I have this J. Crew factory Sherpa line flannel jacket. Now this one comes in a great barn flannel color. Definitely appropriate for the fall. A great design that'll match a lot of the outfits you rock during the fall. And of course, it has the cotton Sherpa lining, a button closure, and it's machine washable. Now of course, you gotta love flannel for the fall. Flannel and fall just go together. And the Sherpa lining that's gonna keep you warm, this one is a no-brainer. Smooth, cool, stylish, and gonna give you some warmth. Can't go wrong with this J. Crew factory Sherpa line jacket that's only gonna run you $75. Next up, I have another Harrington jacket. As you can see, I really love Harrington jackets, but this one, not quite as plain. As we go over the top man and hit you with this top man navy knitted Harrington. Now what I really love about this one, a little less boring in the detailing and styling. It has great stripe detail, and it has a classic zip Harrington fit. 100% cotton, knitted, and a bit lightweight. Now what I really love about this one is the great combination of the classic Harrington fit and styling with a little bit of pop with the stripes. And I like how this was 100% cotton and knitted, not gonna add much bulk. I definitely can see you rocking this classic style with a nice pop that's eye-catching. And on top of that, it's only gonna run you $65. We're staying at Top Man for our next pick, and we got another classic style of jacket with an eye piping style. I'm talking about this Top Man Abstract Camo Bomber. Now the bomber jacket we all know and love. Type of fall jacket that looks good on almost everybody. But this one has the added bonus of that camouflage. Perfect for the fall. It's that classic bomber shape with side pockets and internal pockets and lightweight fabric in that great green camo look. And on top of that, this one is machine washable. Now camouflage, hands down, one of my favorite styles for the fall. And that green just matches a lot of this season's colors that you'll be rocking. And once again, I love the combination of a classic style of jacket, your bomber, with a bit of a hit of a detail that catches the eye, this camouflage. Cool, and on top of that, only gonna run you $30. Definitely wanna grab this one from Top Man. Now, just like the last jacket, our next pick is another bomber jacket, eye-catching style. But this time we're headed to Zara, and their velvet contrasting bomber. Velvet, yes, I said velvet. This velvet, I mean just this khaki color, a nice, rich, warm look. It's a great velvet bomber jacket with a rounded neck and long sleeves. 2 side zip pockets, lined interior pocket, and it has this front zip closure, ribbed elastic hem and cuffs, and a great khaki color. Now, like I said, I love the richness of the color of this khaki. And one of the great things you want to do during the fall is add different fabrics and textures, and the velvet definitely does the job. Now this one, the most pricey one on our list, but at $90, I still think it's a worthy investment. Definitely grab you some velvet for the fall. Next up, I have a pick for my guys that go for more of a casual athletic feel, as I have this American Eagle baseball snap sweatshirt. Now this one comes in a great heather gray, classic and cool all day and night. Made of super soft cotton fleece with a great drawstring hood, a snap button front, hip pockets, and striped rib cuffs and hems. Now I love how this one is kind of a mashup of your hoodie, your baseball jacket, your bomber, all mashed into one with a great athletic look. Super dope, super athletic, and I think it's a great investment. One you can rock throughout the fall, especially with your jeans and your jogger. Definitely worth a pickup at $69. Next up, I have a pick when it's time to get a little dressier, but it still remains versatile enough to wear in some casual situations. As we head over to Uniqlo with this comfort jacket. Now, I love how this one gives you the appeal of a sports jacket, but it's still functional and casual at the same time. It's made of a great jersey material for casual and business wear, and it has quick drying technology. A nice slim cut silhouette that showcases the stretchy fabric, and it has a balanced length that works great for both business and casual. Now this one, to me, I think it can be a workhorse for you this fall. Dress it up and dress it down. And if the fall temperature gets a little warm and you start sweating it out, it has quick dry technology. Get it wet, quick dry technology. Definitely love the function and the style combined in this jacket from Uniqlo. Use it for your dressier situations and a little bit of casual too, and at only $50, a definite steal for this fall. And last but certainly not least on our list, for the 10 best fall jackets under $100, there's no way I can be a self-respecting style guy and not recommend the ultimate fall jacket, a denim trucker jacket, especially when it comes from Levi's. As we have this Levi denim trucker jacket in the Road Dollar colorway. Now, of course, we're talking about the classic traditionally designed denim jacket, crafted from faded blue denim, and it just gets better with age. With the Levi's denim trucker jacket, you know this is a worthwhile investment. You wear it this year, next year, wear it in the fall, the spring, year round. Hands down, can't beat the Levi denim trucker jacket. And fortunately, I did a search and came up with this colorway on sale at Nordstrom. You're talking about a steal for only $49. We're talking about cool, classic, and the ultimate fall jacket. Can't go wrong with the Levi's denim trucker jacket. Okay, so there you have it. My picks for the 10 best fall jackets under $100. Let me know in the comment section which ones caught your eye. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. Helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, and I'll check you out tomorrow.